Safety is top priority at Prospect Medical and core to our values. This is why we have embarked on a system-wide journey to transform and unify our organization as a high reliability organization, which we refer to as HRO. This means that each of us commits to the goal of zero harm to every patient in every experience, every time. To provide an example, in the current scenario you are watching, the nurse is saving her patient from potential harm by finding a discrepancy in the blood type. These enhanced principles are being applied system-wide as part of our cultural transformation. Working together, errors can be prevented by practicing simple safety behaviors, such as speaking up when you see potential for error, communicating accurately, focusing on the task at hand, asking clarifying questions, and maintaining a positive rather than punitive attitude. Creating an HRO also means working together as a team, following policies and procedures, and paying attention to details.
A high reliability organization strives to create a healing environment that minimizes and eliminates preventable errors. By cross-checking each other and using all situations as learning opportunities, we take responsibility for ourselves and encourage accountability in others. To create an HRO culture, we will be teaching universal skills which equip you with skills you can put into practice during daily encounters with others. This includes relationship skills such as listening with empathy, being positive, and posing clarifying questions, as well as reliability skills such as always being alert and attentive in human and documentation interactions. These skills create a community based on trust, respect, support, and continual learning. We always put patient and staff safety first to provide compassionate, patient-centered, safe care.
Through shared alertness in huddles, department meetings, documentation, daily conversations, and rounding, we can identify even the smallest system or process problems before they lead to potentially tragic results. Each of us, employees and providers, should speak up even in uncomfortable situations if we think any action could lead to harm. Hospital leaders will be sharing safety messages and educating everyone to create a culture of safety through universal skills, allowing all staff to speak up. This transparency creates best safety practices across our system and builds greater levels of trust.
Every one of our employees and physicians has a role in creating a safe hospital culture. Anyone can make mistakes, even experienced professionals. Trust is the foundation of a safe environment. Trust encourages employees and physicians, especially those of us on the front lines of care, to report adverse events and identify opportunities for improvement. This culture of trust encourages employees to speak up about patient care concerns. When we respond positively to their feedback, employees are encouraged to further speak up. This in turn results in greater levels of trust. By empowering employees and physicians, we can quickly eliminate problems and reduce the potential for further harm. We can also reduce the frequency of bad outcomes and improve cross-functional collaboration. This is what a high reliability organization is all about, and we all have a role in creating it.
Patient safety and quality of care are the common threads that connect each of us throughout our Prospect hospitals and facilities. We want each patient encounter to be the best. Using our safety behaviors and universal skills, we can minimize or prevent errors in how and where we provide care. Our workplace is a healing environment that should continually reduce the risk of harm. Using the safety behaviors and universal skills 100% of the time with every patient, in every experience, every time, we create a high reliability culture. Thank you for making all of Prospect Medical a high reliability organization.
We were drawn to the healthcare profession for its higher purpose, helping people.
Higher reliability will help us achieve our goal of helping people by providing the best possible care.
We improve care by improving the quality of our patients' lives and the communities in which we serve.
Join us in making all of Prospect Medical a highly reliable organization.